Here at the range, having some rain today, doing a little steel, got a couple of targets set up here, just having a good time. May have to go in the indoor soon, starting to come down a little bit harder. We'll see what happens. Alright, so the rain starts coming down a little too hard, and we wind up going inside. This is my wife shooting right now. I think we're a little too far back. She's having a hard time. She's probably about 15 yards at least. So that might have been a little too far. She's shooting 380, a Ruger 380. Looking a little rusty over here. And then you'll wind up seeing my aunt also having a little hard time. They're just a little too far back because they actually shoot pretty decent. Because then we go inside and we do some shooting inside the range. And that footage is going to start coming up next after I start showing you some of the guns, and then we go inside. So check that out, stay around, watch the rest of the video, and then I end it off with a cleaning video, showing you, how I clean the gun. Not really, I don't really get into how I clean it, just I show it to you dirty, and then I show you how it looks clean afterwards. So stick around, watch the rest of the video. Hope you guys enjoy it. I'll talk to you guys later. Beretta. Yeah. 9mm. Where's 380?
Hold it.
Huh? There you go.
The other gun, send it to that guy for $90. He would fix the sights on it. Yeah. He said no. It was
Okay, so I just got back from the range, and it's time to clean my gun, because I clean my gun every time. After I get back, I like keeping it nice and clean. I put about 350 rounds through it today. I'm not going to do a whole gun cleaning video or anything like that, because there's a million of them that you could go look up if you need to know how to clean a gun. There's tons of videos out there. I'm just going to show you how dirty it got after putting 350 rounds through it, and then I'll show you like a before and after. Not too bad, but I like to keep it perfectly clean. So I'll be back after I clean it and show you how it looks. Almost forgot, in case any of you guys wondering exactly what it is I use. There you go. I wanted to try a Ballistol, but I can't seem to find it around me. So I might have to order that online or something like that, because I'd like to give it a shot, but this works just fine. I have no problems with it. I kind of like the smell too. Alright guys, be back. Alright, so I'm all done cleaning, and I'll show you guys the difference. Here's all the dirt that came off, you can see. The toothbrush is all black. Alright, so I'm going to put it back together, and throw a little oil in some spots, and that's it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Talk to you later.